power large loads like sheet metal racks loaded into containers. Today, we'll reveal the secrets of the crane plus forklift collaboration. Step 1. Lifting. We have lifting equipment in our workshop. We first use the crane to lift the entire load. Step 2. Delivering. The crane lowers the load into the container. However, there's a problem. The lifting ropes prevent the load from fully entering the container. Step 3. Forklift intervention. The crane first lowers the load to its maximum depth, which is when the forklift comes in. Step 4. Handover. The forklift lifts the load from the rear, supporting the load. Workers quickly remove the lifting ropes. Step 5. Pushing. After the crane leaves, the forklift can lift the remaining load and push it completely into the container. Our sheet metal racks are equipped with wheels or smooth metal plates at the bottom, ensuring a smooth push.